We know consumers love plants that have fragrant flowers, which makes the new AROMANCE Mulberry Nemesia a must-have variety for the 2023 season. Joining AROMANCE Pink, AROMANCE Mulberry adds another color to our collection of sweetly scented Nemesia varieties. AROMANCE Mulberry blooms early enough to be used during the cool spring months, but also performs well into the season due to the nice heat tolerance and holding up to strong summer rains. A winner from early spring through summer and into fall, AROMANCE Mulberry needs to be on your list.